What is going on YouTube? Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are having a great day. Welcome back to my channel, man. MOPAR is here with another video. Y'all can see by the thumbnail and the title, I want to put my car up for a week for sale and see how it does. Now by the title, y'all probably already know how it went, but I just don't want to hop in this video real quick. I wanted to thank you guys for all of the new subscribers, all of the new people following me. What's going on? Hopefully you guys are watching the old videos. I have V6 Challenger content, I have SCATPACK content, and we're gonna be creating more lit content on the way. So I am filming this on Sunday, June the 16th. Huh? So the video will come out next week on the 23rd, if all goes well. I am going to screen record this for y'all. Like me struggling to figure out how am I gonna put up something to sell. Huh. Oh, I thought I had something here to say that. There it is. I just realized I don't have any interior pictures of the car. Alright, those three pictures are just gonna have to work for now. It is a car. It is a 2017. It is Dodge. Charger. I'm so focused. The trim is a SCATPACK, baby. Oh, they already know what's up. Okay. Nice. Come on now. 42,000. Yeah, there's money still owed on it. I'm gonna list it. Man, this is where you have to like come in clutch. I think I'm gonna go for like 36, maybe 36,000 even, or like 36.3 or 36.5, 36.5, and then alright y'all, here's my listing. 2017 Dodge Charger SCATPACK for sale, 36.5, 42,000 miles on it. Yeah, man. Honestly, that's pretty much it on the video for right now. I just wanted to show you guys me putting it up and stuff, and I will check in periodically with you guys to see, so I can tell y'all who's hitting me up and how I was coming along. Now this is really just for experiment purposes, but if somebody comes along with the right deal, maybe, but probably not. It's really just for entertainment, just to see if somebody would be willing to buy the car, because you know, why not? You know, I need content, you know what I'm saying?
12 seconds later.
Alright, so you guys, this literally hasn't even been an hour and I just got a hit on it, so let's see what they said. Alright, so I just got excited for no reason. He just asked if the listing was still available. Of course, I just put it up, bro. But yeah, I'll let you guys know. Check in later on this week, or if something juicy happens. Alright y'all, so it's been like cool 5. It's been a few hours. It's been a few hours since I posted the video. So I checked my Facebook and I have 5 messages. That looks crazy. I don't know if y'all can see that, y'all. It's funny, mo. Hold on. So I'm getting ready to see what these people talking about. Somebody offered to trade their car. They got a 17, no, what is this? It's a scat pack, look like SRT or something. He wants the VIN and the exact mileage. Everybody wants to know Carfax and all that different kind of stuff. What's going on, y'all? So I'm sitting here editing right now, literally. And I realized I did not give y'all any context of what was going on. Basically, everybody kept hitting me up asking me if like they can get the VIN number and different things like that. And I didn't want to entertain that, so I didn't give the people the number or anything. But that's the kind of stuff I was getting. But in the next clip, it's pretty much just gonna jump to like Tuesday, and then I'll explain what really happened and how overwhelmed I got. So yeah, let's just get back to the video. What's going on, you guys? So I am back with a check-in. I know today's a little weird. I just got home. It's like 7 o'clock. I wanted to come on here and tell you guys, like, I literally just did this as an experiment. I wasn't serious about selling the car. Now, granted, if there was a person who offered me like the biggest bag possible for Temple, I would have to let him go. But I honestly thought nobody would want to buy the car. But I've had over 15 people hit me up just in 2 days to want to buy the car. So it's good to say that if you have a Dodge Charger or a SCATPACK or a HELLCAT or whatever and you trying to sell it, it's gonna be gone, because a lot of people have hit me up. Now granted, some of those people aren't serious, and I'm not entertaining the people that are hitting me up, because I don't want to be like, oh yeah, I'll take this much, even though I did put a price up on the car. There's a few things that I've realized that I've done wrong in this situation, with even, you know, if I was really trying to sell the car. So I would definitely have a video about that, maybe the next video. But I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm not even going to keep the listing up for another week, for another day, really. I'm getting ready to take it down right now, because 15 people in 2 days, it's been 2 full days. Like, so I started the listing on Sunday, it's now Tuesday, and it's been 15 people. So I think that's a lot. I think it proves my point of, if you really want to sell your SCATPACK, you could really sell it. I am excited about what the channel is gonna have coming. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I haven't even seen the footage from earlier. I want to let you guys know, make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you turn on the bell notification, because boy, y'all don't want to miss this, man. I got some lit stuff coming. I got some things in the works, you know what I'm saying? So for real, make sure y'all stay tuned, subscribe, all of that good stuff, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye. Y'all really thought I was gonna let this video go by and not give y'all a cold start? Bro, you bugging. Come on, let's go outside, bro. I ain't started the car in a minute. Yes, I do have the car covered up. Let me make sure these pipes is out. No pause. And they are. Here we go, boys. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're not loud enough, but it's okay. We got stuff coming on the way. My baby. Y'all think I'ma sell this? You're bugging.